The more you pull out these curls and play with it, the cuter it gets. Like, this is so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Ooh. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Why does that not sound right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Today in this video, I have two different wigs for you guys, and these wigs are under $20, y'all. They're half wigs, but you can get some looks with these half affordable wigs, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you this style, and I'm also gonna be showing you another style. Actually, this pretty lady. Yeah, I'll be showing that style. I'm gonna show you two different looks with this style, I guess. This one, and I'm gonna show you like just how it looks like out the pack with a headband and just, you know. Anyway, we gonna talk about the wig. This is from Janet Collection. These are some Swift Easy wigs, and I'm all about easy because I am always rushing and I like quick, easy. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button because you will be back, and let's jump into it. Hey friends! So today I have two wigs for you guys. This is from the Janet Collection. It says Remy Illusion Virgin Hairdo. I'm going to be reviewing two wigs for you guys, okay? So we're going to try to make this quick. So the first wig that I have is this one right here. So this is in the style Vigo. I have the color 1B because she matches my hair. I think the other one, oh no, that's a number 2, but we'll see how that goes. So this is the first one. It's a straighter one. It says it's a 100% human hair prime uni mix. I'm guessing that's just like a blend. As far as colors that it comes in, it doesn't like look like you get a lot of colors, but it looks like you get like some highlight colors. These are the colors that you're going to get with this one, like, you know, just like some highlights in there. Can y'all see that? So as far as some of the claims, it's saying that you're going to get this deep wide comb in the front here. You also get a comb right here in the back. The cap is one of those breathable caps, so I do like that because you can scratch your scalp, and it's stretchy. It's really stretchy. So last night I already like straightened out my hair. I shampooed it and I used my TYMO brush. I kind of broke it and I'm upset because after it was done, I don't know if y'all do this, like I hate seeing like hot tools like my hot comb or my like straightening brush nasty. Like when it starts getting grease and dirt in it, it starts like smoking really bad and stinking. Like I hate seeing people with stinky like burnt hair. I hate that. So I caught myself over here scrubbing this brush, and normally I do that and it works when it was off with some soap and water, and I think I broke it. So don't do that is my point. Anyway, but I do recommend this TYMO brush. I love the way it straightens my hair. It's not too like straight, but it's a good straightening brush. And I do have a video on this TYMO brush too, guys. Check it out right here if you want to like see it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it on. So my hair is already prepped, so I did just kind of pull some hair out in the front, and I'm just gonna put a cap on the back just because I don't like my hair to snag when I have these half wigs on. I didn't even show y'all the wig. So this is what it's looking like. It's like a nice kinky texture. I like it. It's a natural texture. It's reminding me of all of my half wigs. I've been rocking a lot of half wigs lately to go to work, and I like them because they're so easy. They're like throw on and goes. This is a good like natural texture. It's giving me like blown out kinky hair. It's not like a kinky like Anisha, but this is giving me like the sensational I can't think of the name. I'll put it right here. So yeah. This is giving me Nisha half wig. This is actually giving me the Nisha, the first Nisha half wig, the first launch. The first launch was silky like this. The second launch, when I repurchased it, it was a little thicker, but this is definitely giving me that. And the density, this is what the density is looking like. So let me put it on and stop talking. Okay. So this is a 1B. You guys can't see it, but my hair might be a 2 in Janet Collection. It all depends on the brand, y'all. Like sometimes your hair might be a 1B in one brand, and then in another brand it's a number 2. So this is it combed out. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. So for me, blending this wig, what I normally do with my half wigs, y'all, oh, I could do that. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna do a little hairstyle like that. But let me show y'all something real quick. Normally when I wear my half wigs these days, I just get like these little, I get a headband, or my go-to, hold on, let me find. My go-to thing has been these like sleeves from Amazon that I found. Like these sleeves are amazing. It's so quick. These are the sleeves right here, because Somebody asked me about sleeves a long time ago, and I couldn't find the right one off Amazon, but I love these. So I'll leave a link below for you guys, but let's see what it looks like with the sleeve. See? Boom. 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 Look at that. See? And it's so quick. It is so quick. Like, I didn't have to straighten my edges and blend it and do all that stuff. Like, you could literally put this wig on without any leave out and just put on like a headband or a sleeve. This is so cute. I don't even know if I want to give y'all a hairstyle, but I'm gonna give you guys a hairstyle too. But look at that, just like that. So cute. So this is the way it's blending with my hair. Again, I didn't straighten out my hair too much. It is blending with my hair, but my hair is a little bit more coarse, so I probably need to straighten my hair just a tad. I hate that my brush broke. And normally, just to let you guys know, when I do straighten out my hair, I definitely do suggest going in with a heat protectant. My hair always reverts because I use a heat protectant, and I don't straighten out my hair too much. So this is my hair right here, just to kind of match it a little bit. Ooh, I think that was the wig. Let's test the wig. I don't know. You don't want to go too high. You don't want to burn the wig. When I use hot tools on a synthetic wig, guys, I always test it with the bottom. Because if you start up here and you burn the wig, you're going to pull out the wig. You don't want to do that. So, let's see. Okay. It passed the test of straightening out. But this was just on, like, in between 10 and 15. But I'm just trying to do my hair right here. If I would wear this wig like this, I probably would pull it up more. Right now it's back here because I'm going to style it. But this is cute. This is what it's looking like. And this is all the hair to the front, guys. Like, this wig is kind of thin, but you get what you pay for. It's cute. It works. In the back. And that's cute. Let's do another hairstyle and then do the other wig. Guys, so my TYMO brush is heating up. I think it's coming back to life, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna do the next hairstyle. I'm gonna take this off because I don't want to burn this wig, but my brush is coming back to life. So I'm just gonna straighten it out a little bit because it seems like, because this wig is so sleek, at least the straight one, you do need to straighten your hair a little bit. This is a little frizzy. What? I wouldn't say this is on 450. I don't know. It's like slowly heating up. I have to buy a new one. Normally it's not this slow. I think that smoothed out my hair some. Let me show y'all another trick. So in the front of my hair, it's really thin. This TOPPIK is gonna save your life. Look at this. So you see the thinness there? Put some of that like that. Put some over here. Look at that. Look at that. I do have a video on this too. It's right here. Check it out if you want to see this full review on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that wig back on and let me give y'all another hairstyle. I'm going to speed this up because I don't want this video to get too long, and come back and talk to y'all. So this is my little ponytail. I think she's cute. This is the half wig that I use. Now, I just used my hair. I had half of my hair out and I just pulled it up and this came out cute. Like, this is super cute. And this is, guys, this is under $20 and it's a blend. Okay, now I don't do ponytails. I just don't. I don't have the patience for a ponytail. But this is so cute. This is what it's looking like all around. I don't know how it's looking in the back. Hopefully it looks okay. So you can put this one in a ponytail, but guess who's just putting a headband on this wig? Because I don't have the patience. I don't have the energy. I love the fact that this is a blend too, but I'm gonna talk about that at the end. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this updo. Do you like it? As you see, I use my TOPPIK and my She Is Bomb edge control, and she's cute. If I knew I was gonna put this in a ponytail, I would have prepped it better, but y'all just work with me. I'm just trying to give you some hairstyles, okay? Don't judge the ponytail too much, because it's not like sleek, but it works. Y'all, guess who is coming back to life? Look at that. You see that smoke coming out? My brush is coming alive. Maybe it's just slowly heating up now that I killed it. I don't know, but I'm glad it's coming back. So overall with this one, I do feel like I wish the density was a little thicker. It's really thin. Based on the stock card, this does look thicker, but I have reviewed a Janet Collection wig actually in the same top and it was too thick. And I was not feeling it. The video's right here. So maybe Janet Collection didn't want to give us too much density, but we could use a little bit more density on this one. But it's cute. It works. I like it. It's good for me. It's good for me and every day. I'll probably end up chopping this. And it says you can curl this wig, but I don't know. I get nervous with curling wigs. Again, if you're gonna curl the wig, start at the bottom. That made it real silky, y'all. Because my TYMO decided to come to life and it's on 450. I can't turn it down because it's broken. I would just go in with a low temperature if you have to curl it, because you're definitely going to lose the texture if you go in with a hot tool with this wig. You will. It's synthetic. It's a blend, but it's synthetic. Next wig. So this is the other one, guys. This one is in the style Oslo, and I have the color number 2. I don't know why I didn't get like a color. Get a number 2. Maybe this is all they had. I should have got like a 1B30 or a 1B burgundy or something. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but this is the number 2. I guess it's good so you guys can see if you do want the natural ones, how it's looking compared to my hair. This already to me is looking browner than a regular number 2. Like I said, it all depends on the companies, guys. Like, this is a number 2, but to me it's coming off more like a number 4. This is what she's looking like though. Look how brown that is. So this is what she's looking like. The curls are really pretty here. Really, really cute. And it's the same cap construction, guys. You get in the same comb in the front and the one in the back and that stretchy mesh cap construction. Yeah, so this is definitely not matching my hair. Look. So this is a number 2 and this is my hair, but we gonna make this work. So I'm going to put some curls in my hair, style it up, and come back and talk to y'all. Okay, so this is that. So all I did, as you guys saw, is I just curled it up. My hair that was left out, I just put some curls in it and I blended it, and it's super cute. I wish this was a 1B. It's not matching my hair color, but y'all, this is really cute. This is super cute. Yo, okay. And I'm happy that I sleeked my edges in that first clip because I think this looks so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is reminding me of the Outre first launch when they did their half wigs. But this is so cute. I didn't pull out all the curls in the back because I was like, maybe I should sell her. I don't know if I want to put her up on my storefront. Only because the color's not matching. So I'm thinking I might sell her and get like the color that matches my hair. So I don't want to pull out the curls too much just in case I'm going to put her up on my Macari. If y'all don't know, check the link below. I do sell my wigs after these reviews. It's kind of aging me a little bit, but I like it. These are the curls in the back. Don't judge the curls in the back. I didn't pull them out. I thought I would like the straight one, but I like this one, y'all. I really like this one. I like this one way better. This is what all the hair in the front is looking like. Like, it's a little longer and it's nice and layered, and these curls are so cute. I think I like this one better than Anisha. I like this one better than Outre. I said it. I really did. And I like the fact that this one, y'all, is a blend. It's a human hair blend, and human hair blends tend to hold up a little bit longer than regular synthetic wigs in my personal experience. In Janet Collection, I love Janet Collection wigs on a whole. Like, they're really underrated. If you don't want to do this, y'all, you could also do a headband. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We can bust out the headbands, okay? And that is so cute. I don't have any other headbands right now. This is the only headband I found in the back. But This is so cute. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that, man. Maybe it's just not that headband. Not that headband. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these wigs. Are y'all feeling them? Yes, no, maybe so. And it's under $20, y'all. It's under $20. You can't beat that. This is a whole look for under $20. I'm really happy. This wig is actually getting cuter the more you pull it out. The more you pull out these curls and play with it, the cuter it gets. Like, this is so cute. This is glam, but this is super cute for like pictures or an event. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I like when wigs shock me. Oh, y'all, I found a different headband. This is a different kind of headband. I like these headbands too. When I wear my half wigs, this is pretty much the headband that I go to. This is so cute. I thought I was not gonna like this wig. I like when I get shocked. I really do. Oh, my earring fell off. Look how cute that is. So if you're not good with like blending and all that, do a headband, okay? You could put your edges out a little bit, or you can hide them if you don't really have edges. You know, sometimes we all don't have edges. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, it's even cuter the more I play with it, y'all. I am in love. Let me know. Let me know if you like headbands. If you don't like headbands, on, off, they're all cute. Either way, they're all cute. Drop some comments down below. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.